Hello, this is Jay, and welcome to AIM Stress-Free Trading. Today I'm going to talk to you about the best Forex trading signal I have ever used in my life. We're going to talk about what it is and how you can use it to win up to a $200,000 funded account, just like many of our AIMS traders have done. AIM Stress-Free Trading was started back in 2009 when its core group of traders got together. They started trading around the Bill Williams Trading Chaos Method, which if you are not familiar with Bill Williams, I highly recommend you read his book, Trading Chaos. The AIMS traders developed their own edge in the Forex markets through years of backtesting and forward testing their strategies until they eventually arrived on what would come to be known as the banana strategy. The banana strategy consists of several pullback signals that let you know when is the right time to enter the market. Even though the strategy is simple enough to read on any chart that even beginner traders can use it, it has been refined over the past decade and is now our best strategy. The banana has about 5,000 lines of code, and it eliminates the need for any other indicators. The Elliott wave count is built into the code. If you don't know how we count Elliott waves in 10 seconds or less, you can download our free ebook on how to do this in the description below. The name might be silly. There is a story behind it, but I won't bore you with that for now. For now, let's get on to how the banana works. The banana is a trend following strategy that looks for specific patterns in the market that we know have a genuine edge. The pattern of a pullback from a trending market is very popular in the Forex community, in the trading community in general, because it is universal to all markets. It is part of the structure of the market. A trend with a pullback is as basic as it gets. The banana looks for specific types of pullback in specific types of trending markets, where there is a higher chance the market will continue and give us a 5-to-1 profitable trade. So in short, we could just say, oh, the banana, it's just a pullback signal. But it's more than that. If it was just a pullback indicator, we wouldn't need a signal for a pullback because anyone can see when the market has pulled back from a trend on a naked chart. It's the fact that pullbacks are common, but not all pullbacks are the same, and not everyone sees the pullbacks the same. That's what makes the banana unique. There are many popular types of pullbacks you may have heard about as a trader. The breakout pullback, the step or box pullback, a trend line pullback, moving average pullback, Fibonacci level pullback, just to name a few. The banana can identify all of these different types of pullback patterns at one time. It's a beautiful strategy. Now, it looks for pullbacks of specific types, and it prints 2 types of signals. It gives you 10 different entry signals total. 7 signals are based purely on pullback patterns, and 3 signals are based on the pause concept or inside bars. But not just any random inside bar, it has to qualify for the banana specifications to give a signal. The code looks for breakouts, pullbacks, retests, Fibonacci levels, and much more. You will see numbers appear on each banana signal, and each number has a specific code assigned to it. At first, it may seem that these numbers are only representing the candle count in the pullback, but that is not the case. Each number appears because of separate algorithms in the background. Each of these numbers has its own set of criteria and probability for their success. We know that because we have thoroughly tested each signal type. The signals displayed will appear as dots on your chart. When you see the signal with a 1, that means it's a 1 candle pullback with several other filters. There are 4 entry rules hard-coded into these signals. Rule 1 looks for an impulse wave or momentum. Rule 2 is the impulse move climactic. When a move, for example, when a move is overbought or oversold, the market has gone too far and we expect it to give a deeper pullback. Rule 3, the pullback itself, it checks for minimum and maximum size in the pullbacks using Fibonacci levels. And rule 4, the pullback is the pullback climactic, or for example, is the candles in the pullback bigger than the candles in the actual trend itself. So there are 4 rules and 2 filters we apply to have a win rate of above 50% and keep drawdowns within 5%. We will go over the 4 rules and 2 filters later in the course, or you can find them for free in our Discord. Here is some of the results of our founder of AIMS, Emmy, in his use of the banana indicator. Look right here, you can see the NASDAQ, Aussie yen, Euro dollar, Aussie yen. You can see it's profitable. So now let's take a look at some of the backtesting results. On the USD Japanese yen currency pair, the banana strategy turned a $10,000 account into 1.3 million over 10 years with a 1.25 profit factor. So without a doubt, this strategy has an edge. And this is without applying the 4 rules and 2 filters that we have. This is just putting the banana indicator into a backtesting software and letting it go without applying any of our rules and filters. When we apply the 4 rules and 2 filters, our win rate is above 50% and our profit factor is above 2.0. Here's another example in the Great British Pound USD currency. Backtesting with these signals without the 4 rules and 2 filters, it increased a $10,000 account 87% between 2020 and 2021 with a profit factor of 1.48. And these backtesting results have been tracked for the past year and a half by the team at Ames, and you can see each individual trade that is included in these results also by continuing through the course or by checking our Discord. Last year, the banana strategy on only the hourly chart or the H1 chart gave an over 500% increase to our account. And so far in 2023, we have an over 250% increase. One of our Ames traders, Sam's live account, experienced a 20% growth to his account in 1 month. Emma was able to pass the 200K My Forex Funds challenge, and here are some of her payouts she received. Emma is still trading this 200K account and still gets payouts like this to this day. Sam also was able to pass a 200K My Forex Funds challenge and continues to trade his funded account and still gets payouts to this day as well. Join our free Discord today and see how our traders are increasing their accounts with the banana strategy every day. Learn the banana strategy and apply it to your trading. Become a member of Ames Stress-Free Trading today. Take our course and get plugged into our community so we can make sure and guide you through any questions you may have. Thank you guys for sticking around to the end of the video. Please like, subscribe, and happy trading out there.